Hi faves, make dinner with me. It was really late before I started dinner, but I was craving this particular food and I just wanted to have it. So I brought out my pot, boiled some eggs. Anyways, I didn't even tell you what we're about to make for dinner. So we are making moi moi, and not just any kind of moi moi. Moi moi that you make using nylon. Yes. I remembered when I was still in secondary school, this is what we used to eat during break. I buy it a lot. I schooled in the north, so I spent 6 years of my life in Mina. I buy this particular moi moi I'm craving from one of our teacher's wife. In my opinion, she makes the best moi moi. I try to make my moi moi the way she makes hers. So you can't catch me make moi moi without ginger and a lot of scotch bonnet pepper. So I added ginger, a lot of ginger. I don't know if I showed that in the clip. I added ginger, bell pepper with a lot of scotch bonnet pepper. So I dissolved my Maggi in hot water. You will never catch me put Maggi directly into my blended beans. No, I never do that. But when it comes to salt, I can put salt directly, especially when I needed to add more. Then I'll add salt like I'm adding now. But usually I dissolve my Maggi and salt in hot water so that it doesn't settle in the blended beans. So I was done mixing everything here. I also grilled one Titus fish, so I deboned it and put it inside the blended beans. So when I was done mixing everything, it was time to start cooking. This is the easiest part for me when it comes to making moi moi. But there is a technique to tying your nylon if you don't want everything to burst in your pot. So as you guys can see, I'll put my egg and then I'll tie loosely. I never tie tightly or put air in my nylon. No, you tie loosely without any hair. Like that, be rest assured that your moi moi will never burst. So that is how I do it whenever I'm making moi moi and using nylon, of course. So I'll continue the same process till I don't have any batter left. So I was done here. I added enough water to cook the moi moi and I used a bigger pot so that the moi moi will have room to cook very well. Our moi moi was ready here. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.